used to be called an Airtraq fan because I was the only one who knew how to use it. And at demonstrations and workshops, I taught people how to use something that everyone else cowered from because they never used it, never saw it, and only used the glide scope. So, demonstrate something. This device is like a ninja. It likes sneaking around small mouth openings. Regardless if you have a big tongue, small tongue, bigger tongue, small mouth, this sneaks in, and I must always teach it, entering it like an OPA, Oropharyngeal Airway. You don't see the people's elbow, you just see finesse getting it around. You don't see lifting, right? This thing would turn around. I would get the airway. I would have this lubed up very well. I would peel my thumb and take out. I was accused of being a Goliath killer of bad airways. In that the bad airways with bad mannequins are difficult, I would slay with this device, and I would do it quicker than the so-called best device that existed in the room. A Goliath of a device that everyone believes by. And I slayed the device and the mannequins that defeated that device.